Hey guys, what's up? It's Faith and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be packing up for college because today is the 7th and I leave on the 15th. So I have like 8 days. Well, not even 8 days, it's like a week left and I haven't packed anything. So today I'm gonna be packing my stuff up, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me and hopefully it doesn't stress me out too much because I'm slightly stressed, but you know, we're gonna make it. If you guys are interested in watching me look like a crazy person packing all my stuff up, then just keep on watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get into today's video. This is my first year going up to college, so I'm kind of like, what do I bring? What should I bring? What should I not bring? But you know, we're gonna figure it out, hopefully. Yeah, I think honestly, like the hardest part for me is gonna be figuring out what shoes to bring and all of that because I have a lot of shoes. I never know. I have a few things out to pack in. I have some like Urban Outfitters bags and my suitcase and some hangers, and I'm gonna grab a few boxes and stuff and kind of figure out how to pack it all up. I'm nervous because I want to make sure I bring what I need, but I don't really know because I've never been. So we're gonna figure this out. So I think what I'm gonna do is like make a pile of like bringing for sure, maybe, and not, and then that way I can kind of, I don't know, like this is gonna be hard, and then that way I can kind of like have a system and kind of go through it all and figure out what I actually need and what I don't need. I have like all these clothes, which these are like mainly my summer clothes, so I probably won't get a lot out of that closet because that's like winter. I'm gonna like try to organize things because I'm gonna be putting, I have dressers there, so I'm gonna organize what I want to put in a dresser and what I want to hang up. I'm gonna keep them on the hangers and like put a plastic trash bag over it. Solve that life hack, so I'm gonna be doing that. But yeah, I just have to figure out what I'm bringing. So I'm gonna kind of go through everything. This is gonna be so hard because I know some of the stuff I like never wear. So I'm gonna try not to bring stuff that I never wear because it's not wise. Definitely want to bring some sweatshirts because sweatshirts are literally life, so I've got to bring these. It's a necessity. And I have lots of dresses, so I'm definitely bringing those. Gotta figure out which ones I'm bringing. So anything that's like fall, I'm gonna leave here and I'll come back and get that because I'm only like 2 hours away. So I'm gonna leave fall and like kind of transition, but right now it's super freaking hot and it's gonna be like that for a while. So I'm just packing like mainly like my summery clothes. So I just washed a bunch of clothes and they were hang drying in the playroom downstairs. So I'm gonna go grab those and then kind of put those in the pile because that's like my mainly worn stuff. I know because it was dirty and I had to wash it. So I'm gonna go grab those. I think that's my dog. She's trying to break in. She knows something's up. Hello, are you scratching on my door? Yeah. All right. Now that I'm winded, I got all the clothes from downstairs and it looks like a lot. So this is kind of overwhelming, but Gizmo is now getting suspicious. And guys, I'm literally gonna cry leaving her. I just love her so much. Gizmo, I love you. You are my favorite. I also have to figure out like what I'm bringing for like pajamas, and I really like pajama pants. I usually don't sleep in pajama pants, so I probably don't need to bring like a ton of pajama pants. Plus it's still summertime, so I should be good for now with shorts. All right, now that I've gone through that closet, I'm gonna go ahead and go through my dresser because that has some clothes in it I wear, and I'm gonna figure out what in there I'm bringing. This is really hard, I'm not gonna lie. What makes this even harder is that my dog is watching me. It's like she knows. All right, that was a lot of work. Now I'm taking a banana break because I'm hungry. My room legit looks like a bomb went off in here, like a clothes bomb. It's so bad, but you know, the struggle. This is probably like the hardest part because I just can't decide what I want to bring and what I don't want to bring. I'm definitely gonna have to go through this because I don't need all these clothes to bring. Literally those t-shirts, I just need to go through because I know I'm not gonna wear some of those. I'm just gonna bring the ones that I wear like usually. So I've almost filled up the suitcase with stuff, and then this stuff has to stay hanging. And I have some shorts and some pants, and I have this cute little puppy I have to pack, and she's guarding my dresses, which are also gonna stay hanging up. I think this is gonna be good. I just have to fit a few more things in here. No, it doesn't look like it, but this suitcase like expands. So I'm gonna pop some more things in here, and then I have to start getting my shoes. Alright, so I got some of my stuff packed up. This is what I have so far. I have everything in here that I can possibly fit. I have like some pants right there. In these two bags, I have like my bras, and then all of my shorts are in that bag. Yeah, I have to pack up my shoes now. I think I'm doing good for how much stuff I'm bringing so far. Like, I still have a few things that I have to wash and bring, and then I have some stuff coming in the mail, but that's not a lot of stuff. So I think I'm doing pretty good so far. Alright, Gizmo is gonna help us pick out the shoes to bring while licking me. Great. So I know for sure I'm gonna bring these because I wear these like with everything. Obviously, I'm gonna bring my Air Force Ones because I wear these a ton. And of course, my Birkenstocks, pretty much staples right there. Those are pretty simple because I know like for sure I wear those a lot. I definitely have to bring my Doc Martens. I love these shoes. I know it's still like summertime, but I'll definitely wear those. I'll definitely bring these sandals because these will be cute for church or like dressing up a little bit. I'm gonna bring my Chacos in case I go adventuring because Chacos are life. And like I really want to bring these, but I guess I can bring them. Like, it's just not like very cold outside, but I guess I can still wear these because I wear these a ton too. These are really nice. These are my prom shoes. They're Steve Madden. These are my favorite. You don't like typically wear heels, so I'm saying like if I need them for a special event, like if there's like a formal, I can just come back home and get them, and then that would be good. Gizmo does not approve of me going off to school, and literally she's gonna be the hardest thing to leave because I love my puppy so much. I'm gonna cry when I have to leave you, but you're gonna come visit me, right? We'll go for your walk. Thank you for helping me. Well, I'm trying to decide if I need to bring these boots and these Converse. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I should bring the boots and the Converse or not. This is the bag I'm gonna be bringing. It's just my Guardians of the Galaxy backpack I got from Disney. So instead of a purse, I'm gonna bring this, and then my backpack, my school backpack, because that's really all I'm gonna need. I'm gonna be using this most of the time anyway. So I'm bringing this in that. So these are all the shoes minus my 2 sneakers that I have downstairs, and I might bring some of those. I don't know yet though, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, so I just came downstairs so I can wash my whites. I have some white clothes that I need to wash, so that way I can pack them. Up here I have some of my school stuff. So I have like my fan, I have my storage bin that has like Tide Pods and stuff in it, and then my comforter, and then I have like 2 pillows and my mattress topper. And over here I have 2 Target boxes full of like my plates and school supplies and stuff, my yoga mat, and then I have this container that I think I'm gonna be bringing as well, just with some hand soaps and my pillow spray. And then in this container I have my towels and all of my sheets and bedding and blanket in here. It's super full, so it barely closes, but I got most of it in there. I washed all this stuff the other day, so that's packed up and ready to go. And then I washed my blanket, and that's on top with my hair towel. I think I might bring some of these pictures with me to school, especially the ones of Gizmo, because I love Gizmo and I'm gonna miss her so much. Okay, I think I picked out all the photos I would bring. That was so hard because I want to bring all of them, but I just don't need to, so I kind of fixed it back. And I'm gonna bring these, and I might take a few more off of there. Haven't decided yet. Okay, now I'm gonna get some stuff out of my desk that I'm bringing with me. Some of this, like a calculator, I'm obviously bringing. Gotta bring my ruler. I have these electronic wipes. These things save lives, guys. Trust me, you need these. I have my weekly planner, and then I have my dog notebook, because as you guys can tell, I love dogs. So this is everything I'm bringing inside of my desk, and then these are the picture frames. And I'm obviously gonna bring like my mouse pad, my mouse, my computer, all that stuff's coming, my mic's coming, headphones are coming, and my pencil cup. But I'm gonna wait to get till later because I still have to use all of this stuff. I'm gonna have to pack that up. All right, so I just went to my bathroom and I grabbed some of my like body washes, my hair and conditioner, and some shaving gel. And I brought the stuff down from my desk to put in my school supply box. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize this stuff. Alright, I got all of this stuff packed up, and then I got all my hair and like bath products in there, as well as some hand soap. And I need to go ahead and wash these things out. These are my cups, plates, and bowls, and utensils, but I need to go ahead and wash them so I can pack those up permanently. Alright, so I put the dishes in the wash, and those are washing, and now I got a trash bag to put these clothes in, just to have this pile ready, and whenever else I bring, I'll just either put it in a bag or something like that. But other than that, I'm almost done. I gotta find something to put my shoes in, maybe like a box or something. And yeah, this has been pretty good. All right, that was a lot harder than it looks. My clothes are kind of bunched up, but oh well, I'll fix them when I get down there. All right, I couldn't find a box, so I'm just gonna put them in this Urban Outfitters bag like I showed earlier, and I think they'll be okay. All right, so I got my clothes, my shoes, some hangers, my picture frames and pictures and book, and then I have all of my clothes in the suitcase and in these bags, and then I'm gonna bring this bag and this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and pack some of my bracelets and jewelry in this box, but I gotta clear these flower petals out that came in it first. All right, I'm back, and I got the flower petals out and I took this box out. I'm gonna put my rings in there. Now I'm gonna put some of my jewelry in these Pure Vita bracelet bags and this necklace bag just so that it stays nice, because I was able to fit a few things in here, but not everything. So I'm gonna package those up in here just so they don't get damaged or anything. So I had to take these out of this box so everything would fit in here, but now that it's all in there, I think it's good. I think that's all the stuff I'm bringing. I've just had to like accept the fact that I can't pack everything because I still have to use a lot of it, but I think I've packed pretty much everything that I can pack. I need to find the box for my Mac so I can put that, get that ready and get that out so I can put my Mac in that when I'm about to go, but I have no clue where it is and I've looked, so I even have to ask my dad. I'm gonna be packing my mirror and all my makeup when I go because I know what I'm bringing. It's just the stuff I use every day. And then same with my hair accessories, I have them out, but I might still use them, so I'm just gonna keep them right there and then pack them up. But other than that, I think that's everything I needed to pack, which it feels like I'm forgetting something, but I'm pretty sure I packed like everything that I could possibly pack today. And yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought. So when I do my move-in day vlog, I'll kind of show you guys everything that I've packed that day, because that's gonna be more of like a actual like getting in the car and going. So you can definitely be looking forward to my move-in day vlog because I'm gonna be doing that. And make sure you guys leave some video suggestions in the comments below for me. I always check those out and I would love to hear your ideas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I'll see you guys in my next video.